Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Fliki AI video editor application in your smartphone. So we know that Fliki is really popular site on desktop. I can say it's a website version, but they launched application for smartphone. So first of all, you need to install it in a device, then simply tap on the open button. Then you have to create your account. So you can create your account with Google and email. I create account with Google. It's really simple. So you can say already created account, and welcome. Choose a workflow to start an empty file, like a record recordings into polish videos with subtitles, edit ideas, script empty, and here is also audio and design also. So I'm just add subtitle and visuals existing video recording into streaming videos. So you can see here the third option. You can generate videos like idea and script, transform your script into engaging videos. So you can see start creating video from blank file, like it's like editor version. So I just give it something idea from tab here. So duration 1 minute, you have to set your duration. So I'm just normally create a video about ancient city, people crowded in market. I'm just write something. So duration 1 minute, you can set, tap the next button, and it processing. So like you can use there are a lot of option here you can use. So it's processing. When it's done, then we'll come back. So you can see auto layout, templates, dynamic templates, breaking news. So I'm just going to tap next, and you can informative, educational, historical, purpose, documentary file, audience, history buffs. Next, and media type AI stock. So I'm just going to tap AI, and voiceover. You can see voiceover, a lot of people in voice. So I just keep rows and submit. So new file has been created successfully. You have to wait to get the right one. So you can see here it's one scene, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. So if you see it here, and media, so you can see this is second. Okay, all the things happen. I'm just going to tap here, replace not this quick preview. Okay, I'm just going to choose download, and before start exporting, start.
Second time into the heart of the ancient city. The market square pulsed with life, a chaotic, vibrant tapestry woven from countless voices and footsteps. The air was thick with the scent of spices, sweat, and the earth. Thousands converged daily, a swirling tide of humanity from all walks of life. Merchants hawked their wares, artisans displayed their crafts.
Actually, it's really great. It's full package. Like you can create videos with text, music, audio, image, videos, the all together, all in one. You'll get in this platforms. It's really nice. So you can try different way. Like this is from text to videos and all included, or you can also try another way. You can upload your own way on contents if you want.